just saw a fish down here, but it spooked it. Got him. Got him. All right, we had one 12-inch rainbow. Let's see if we can get a brown. With this kind of hole, it's not a matter of if someone catches a fish. It's who will catch the fish first. Love the size of this kit. Beautiful. It's awesome. It comes right down the hill. Lots of little pools. No bites yet. All right, I've been trying for my first brown, and this pool looks real good. Okay, so right out of this, right this where I'm standing hole. Wow, they really are beautiful. Pretty good brown. Amazing. All right, we can go back. Ready? There you go. Bye-bye. All right, nice little brown on the brown trout Chinooki. Pulled right out of here. This plunging creek. Awesome. Wow. They really just chill out. Not like rainbows, not flopping all over the place. Beautiful spots. Awesome. All right, let's let you go. Ready? There's no trail. It's a little precarious. Yeah, I had one fall in the river. I busted up my shin pretty good. I should wear those neoprene shin guards next time because it's gonna hurt. But I ended up doing a 180 pirouette and landing it, so that was good. All right, headed back to the car. Caught one on the Futsu beadhead, then I snagged it and lost it. I think maybe two on the Futsu beadhead. And the Popper John was the last fish. And that's also what caught the first rainbow, the 12-inch rainbow. Even got some snow. Where are we, 6,000 feet?
About that, yeah.
Beautiful. Wow, sure is. Crazy. Oh my God, it burned right up the middle. All right, walking back to the car. This place is pretty awesome. It's probably a fish right in there. Also, I got home and the Ito arrived. This thing is huge. It's 14 feet. It is loose. I mean, I like a soft rod, so I don't know. It'd be interesting to try this out in a big river, but it's a nice fit and finish. It's basically unused, this used one. I mean, 125 bucks seems like a good deal, but it's much better at the shorter setting. 13 feet. Yeah, it feels pretty good.
Can't wait to try it.